What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for always watching and supporting your boy. And today we are actually gonna be helping Lee finish his motor swap. Hopefully we could get it running today. I don't know what else he's missing on the car, but I gotta send these all out to you guys. Thank you very much for the orders. I sent more orders to ship out, but I ran out of international stamps, so I gotta go pick some up right now and then ship them out probably on Monday. So thank you very much, guys, for buying the stickers. And if you guys want a little like preview of what they look like, this is what they look like. Very nice and small, and here's my car for size reference. Here we go. Don't let this, just keep building it and get rid of the strap. But yeah, thank you very much, guys. If you guys want to check these out, I'll drop a link down below and you guys could pick one up and I'll ship it out to you guys now since I have them all. Time to go visit Lee. I need to bring stuff over for him. I need to bring over my little stool vise so I could make let's see, make fuel lines for him. Is this all like the stuff that I had, and we're just gonna make him a new fuel setup, fuel return line, and fuel feed. I need to bring that, also a compression sleeve for the fitting, and gonna bring over some small tools. So I need an adjustable wrench and all that, and probably won't need the tripod or anything, but I need that. And guys, you guys do not know, I have the next couple of videos, like I have such huge announcements to make, like it's ridiculous. I never knew uploading on YouTube could get me this far, as in like getting stuff like this, but we'll talk about it in the next video. Sorry guys, I know there's so much for me to do now because I don't work, so I have so much free time and I just go help out my friends work on the cars. And I know John from Garage Built Hondas, he's like, dude, nothing like helping a friend turn a wrench or something like that. But man, you are right, like we love helping each other, we love getting cars running, we love motivating each other. Lee is actually one of the cars that got motivated from all of us, so I'll show you guys when we get there. Over here at Lee's house, this is the Integra that I think I filmed before at the Integra meet and the Just for Fun meet. Now he's doing a full makeover for the engine bay, and he got the whole interior painted, color match, same with the bay. And that's the owner, that's Lee. And that's Kevin. So this is a C5. His is faster than mine, of course. Fully built.
I wish.
Don't lie. His is fully built. Check out this shaved Mugen valve cover though. And then I just did the high compressor fitting for the fuel fitting. Now I think he's looking for the starboard. We're gonna put the intake manifold on. Put the motor in first, then the manifold. Then I can do the rest of the fuel line setup, so it's a lot easier. C28s. But it's crazy. Like he got the whole interior and the bay painted. Because before it was just I think paint on the outside only, the exterior. Now he got all color matched inside in the bay. Looks so much cleaner. And like, check this out. Must be nice, right? He got a $1,500 header on it that's going on his motor. High tech. Must be nice. How does it feel to own a $1,500 header?
Nice. It's okay, I guess.
Dude, that's nice.
I just hope it performs, you know?
It will, man. It will. But yeah, he got motivated by all of us to get his whole engine bay and everything else redone and everything. It looks so much nicer though. Oh yeah. Check this out, guys.
Did you get the bottom one in too?
Check out this. Can you guys see that? Port ahead. Must be nice. Literally must be nice. This thing is gonna make so much power. And this is not gonna be boost, guys. It's gonna be NA. Probably use boost, guys.
It's like 12 to 1.
12 to 1? We're letting him do it so we don't scratch up his nice valve cover. Oh, damn, you're not even putting a rag right there? Ooh, boy. Oh, there it is.
When we took out the car, when we took out the car, it was like that.
Oh my, you savage, man.
Let's touch of paint.
But still, it's nicely painted already. Oh, dude.
Okay.
It's okay, we're here to roast you.
Yeah, this ain't no show car, so.
What are you talking about? It is a show car. Look at this nice bay. Dude, you paint so bright that it's like overexposed on my camera. What the hell?
Is it?
Yeah, because the thing's in direct sunlight. Trans mounts in. Now I gotta do that side. How do you feel?
I think I should drive it next.
Damn, he doesn't even have his license yet, kids. Motor's in. Now we gotta get the T-bracket in. The motor's slightly slanted, so we gotta jack up the front and tilt it away because it's sitting on the crossmem right here, or the subframe. It's in. Best feeling ever. Best feeling ever is having the motor in, and the next starting it, dude.
I know.
For reals. Now I gotta put the manifold on.
I was thinking about putting the intermediate shaft first since it's open.
Oh yeah, you can. Man, I thought I would do the manifold. The mounts are in though. Yeah, I should color match my valve cover.
That's a very good idea.
Yeah. We also did this last time I was here. So cool. Oh, he put his horn back in.
Oh, here it is.
Found it? Now I'm gonna put the intake manifold on and do the fuel lines. Damn, look at that manifold. Damn. Oh, it's wrinkle black too? Wow. Too much power. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Too fast. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it looks like, oh, it's thermal gasket. Safety first, man. Oh, your valve cover already got dirty.
Yeah.
Sucks. Oh no!
You could like hammer it in, force it in, hit it in.
I have a hammer.
Where's that hammer?
Ooh, boy, looking nice.
Just shove it in. Don't try to hammer it. Just shove it in. There you go.
Oh, you got it? Oh, I should have put the manifold on after.
Yeah.
Here, I take it back off.
Yeah, just take it out for a second so I can put this. Push it in more, Kevin.
I can't. Watch out.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. There was just stuck.
Perfect. Hold it right there.
Like father, like son. Wait, let me zoom in on your face real quick.
See me?
Yeah, watch this. Wait. Wait till Lee's hands move. What the hell? Hi. You see his face?
They put the test pipe too.
Some guy, do you follow Garage Built Hondas on YouTube?
Yeah.
He commented on my video. He's like, nothing like turning wrenches with your homies.
Yeah.
Getting the car started. That's like it's literally the best feeling ever. Literally. Cause like you're dying to make your friend like get his car running.
Has a Mugen thermostat. I don't know if you can tell, but he said Mugen thermostat.
I have a spoon thermostat, but when you look at it, it looks like any other ordinary like thermostat.
Oh yeah.
It's hot, guys.
Don't worry.
Can I do the first rev of the car? I thought it'd be 12.
You sure? It has to be.
Bruh,
Try this. Try this.
I already tried a 12.
Yeah. No.
Bruh, I know my sizes.
Oh yeah.
It's a 13.
Okay, here.
So this is how we're gonna run his fuel setup.
Do that.
Run my old 90 to the Russell to straight down to the fitting down there. I brought the wrong fittings, but this will work for now.
Put it up with that.
Really, really nice.
Right here.
Slowly but surely, guys. I gotta tighten this down too. Huge shout out to the boy JB Tune. He didn't send this to me. Lee bought it himself because he actually sent me one, but I never installed it on my car. So I still need to do that. But this is by JB Tune, so check him out. Sorry, JB Tune. But yeah, this is one of your products, so he bought it from you. And yep, don't worry. I need to install the one you gave me on my car. So yeah, probably an upcoming video. You know, I have too much to film now. But this is how you guys do it though. He does give you guys a little fitting adapter for the line. And then for master, you're gonna be using a banjo. Very, very easy. Focus. The JB2 clutch lines in. Back. Now I just gonna put the wheel on, drop the car down, get a little break. So hot out here. It's not the same as having a garage, guys.
We're gonna get the canopy right now.
Yeah, we are. Lee came through with the canopy. Now there's shade. Now you guys can see how much better the motor looks in the shade. Because when it's really sunny, you don't really see it. But I'm currently doing the fuel lines right now. So we're gonna run one off of that to the fuel feed down there, and then make one for the fuel return. I brought my little bench stool back here just to mock it up. And yeah, I'm gonna do that one fitting and then put it all in. And he's doing the exhaust right now. This dude's gonna make so much power. I just noticed too, this intake manifold is ported to match the throttle bar. This dude's gonna have so much power. Right, Lee?
I hope.
Dude, it's gonna be so fast, dude. Guys, this guy's gonna be so fast. Look at this, look at this. Must be nice. Oh yeah, what Lee told me too? Oh, you can't see it. It says, what is it? RDOT is from, what is it, when you buy from Honda, the block?
Yeah, it's
Like directly from Honda, not in the car, right?
right.
Yeah.
It's a reman motor.
Reman motor. Must be nice.
Not a reman, but more like a crate. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like ICB.
So you got the HPD motor?
HPD. What's HPD?
Or HFP?
I don't think it's HFP.
They just always paint it. Alright, I'm gonna do the fuel lines now while he does all this. Ooh, environment. Fuel line is all done. Nice and tidy. Same with the fuel return. Straight down. Now he's about to put on his $1,500 header. High tech. Must be nice. It just needs an engine harness and a battery, and we can crank it over. Well, hoses too. Huh?
Should've went turbo, huh?
Nah, NA's best. Oh, right when I say that, hell do I hate. But I don't know. I prefer NA. If you want turbo, you can go turbo. It's up to you guys. You used to run boost. Now you're about to go NA. You like the? I think you like the response, especially with a 230 horsepower C5. Gotta get a kneecap. Check out this header. It's like a masterpiece. Little power chambers in it. This thing looks so nice. I really want one, but it's too expensive. Lee, we're so close. Really, really close. The best feeling ever. Oh, RSR exhaust. Hope this motivate you guys to get down on your car. This shit's so nice. He just needs a nice intake. I'm still waiting for that one whack. Damn! You already like 20 whacks on it. It still hasn't come out yet.
What's the deal?
I'm sorry, you can take off the upper one and call it a day.
I don't want to do the upper, man.
Why? It's the same thing. Alright, but besides him whacking it, the radiator or the coolant, or not the coolant, the coolant system's pretty much done. Just got 2 hoses. Got the high-tech bulb header. Kevin sitting in the car. What's going on?
Shit is a bitch.
I'm telling you, you could take the upper ball joint and call it a day. But alright, you have faith in that little ball joint. You know what you need? You need a ball joint remover and you need a beer.
I don't know.
Dude, just take up the upper ball joint. Alright, Larry, dude.
Yeah. I'm in the car. Thank you for helping me.
Hey, man. Dude, one step closer, man.